So it's 17 degrees outside and I don't have any propane, but I got some work done on the front wheel. Let's check that out. So I took several different grits of sandpaper to this and sanded it down, and it's looking okay. I was worried that it'd have really heavy pitting where the brake shoes are sitting against it, but it sanded right off. Took a lot of elbow grease, but I got it. So this will be safe to reuse. And then over here, that just fell off in my hand, which I'm kind of thankful for, so it didn't, come off and lock the front wheel while I was actually riding the motorcycle. So I'm going to try and find new brake shoes, which I hope that's universal enough, like they shared it between enough models that I can find new ones. Otherwise, how they're manufactured is they just glue this friction material onto that shoe, so I could do that if I can't find new ones. All the other parts were here for this, except the front brake cable, which I found a few on eBay. But I just polished up some of this stuff, made sure the grease zerk on this brake actuator was free. It's a grease zerk here to fill the gear drive for the speedometer, which does work, by the way. The teeth on this aren't worn out or anything. It all fits and lines up and meshes and everything. I just kind of quickly polished some of these parts just because I could. This seal I can't find anywhere. I'm assuming I can probably just go get a seal very much like it at an auto parts store, but it's actually not bad. I cleaned all the crusty, crunchy grease out of it and out of there, and I think I can reuse it. It's still got a good spring. I think it's still sealed okay, but then again, it is an original one from 1973. You really don't want grease getting on your brakes, so if I can find one, I'll probably replace that too. But all the parts are there, although all of it's good, so whenever I find brake parts for this, we can finish up this episode and throw it back together. Today is the 16th of December. Let's see how long that takes.